Hello, everybody.
Welcome back. We're still in our beach gear. Just got back from Lake Powell. Spent 10 days down there.
10 days.
10 days down there. Get some exploration in.
Down under in the sun.
Went four-wheeling down there. Went down to the Lake Powell. Had a little bit of a swim there. And good banter out there on the cliffs. So we had a great time in southern Utah. Still looked the part. Today we're at the bus yard. It's Tasia's first bus and the Carmagia on top. Today we are just trying to build a little frame for our bathtub, and we're going to check our water tanks to see how much of the bathtub they fill.
We're going to fill up the water tank, dump it in there, and get in and see if hopefully it fills it plenty for us to have our own bath, because we're going to have a little instant water heater, so all of our fresh water can be instantly converted into whatever temperature we want. It has like just a temperature and a pressure thing on it. So we'll run off of just our fresh water tank and some propane, so I think it'll be not too hard for us to install.
I believe our tanks are 37 gallons. We're going to show them here in a little bit on the video, but we'll have the tanks, one for clean water and one for gray water, and then when we're hooked up to an RV spot or anything like that, we'll have sure water that comes from the city line in, so we'll have hot water anywhere we go, just depending on how much water is, how many baths we can take. But we usually do showers. Baths are kind of just specialty.
It'll be a luxury. We'll probably only do it when we're somewhere where we have hookups, so we can drain it and fill it.
Tasia loves baths. I love baths. I'd never get a bathtub that fits me, but this big old can fits both of us. So I'm super excited for this luxury that we're going to put into our bus. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the tub filling up with water. This is our water tank. Tasia's grandpa. You liking your new gun?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, baby. He's been cleaning it and playing with it all day. So we're just going to let this tank drain out into the bucket and see how much it fills. Meanwhile, we got the base of our frame. We decided to skip the circle first and go with the frame around it because we had to make adjustments for the 2x4s to even go on the side of the tank. So we're just going to build this out, build it straight up, build a duplicate of this, attach it with some stilts, and put the tub inside of it and cut the hole. And we'll see where we go from there. Moving right along here on a beautiful sunny afternoon. Real stoked. Yeah, we're definitely going to have plenty of water to take a bath. Yep. Whoa! You got it? Yeah. Because I'm not really helping you. I got a camera in my hand and a laptop. Got to get a chest mount for a GoPro or something. This is the. Yeah. Hey, now you just get to work, and I gotta watch you.
Yeah.
Just wake me up when the tub's full.
Whatever. I ended up helping you anyway.
Yeah.
Said I was gonna take a nap.
Look at this tub, though. Woohoo! Oh, we're gonna cool off real quick in this, aren't we? A little bit of rose petals and some dead.
Whatever the hell was still in
Whatever was going on at IFA when we bought this is in this tub, so.
Look, I'm getting jingly.
She put some jewels in her hand. Ching chings. Doing a little bit of dread work this week. We both dyed our hair. I got some pink dreads right now, but I'm trying to go red, so we're gonna dye them again. Alright, should we get in this tub?
Yeah.
Right now? Do we need towels or anything? We're just gonna air dry. Air dry.
We'll grab a towel.
She's gonna get towels. We're gonna set up, take a little bath, cool off, and then we're gonna finish this tub frame. Chillin', summer, you know. both of us in it. It drained out all the water that we needed to see what we need to fill it up for both of us, and it is halfway. So we'll get about 2 baths out of the tank that we have just beneath the bolts. I don't know if you can see them there, but just beneath those bolts is what we're gonna fill it to have a 2-person bath. And single person bath, we can fill it up a lot more, but super stoked. We both fit in the tub.
Yeah, we have a bathtub.
We have a bathtub. We both fit in it. Still so excited about that. Alright, but we're gonna finish up this frame now. Gotta get back to work. Please excuse this quarantine bod.
You said you weren't gonna say it. And now you say, but I love it just the way it is.
But I love it just the way it is. I love all of this body.
So the first box we built was too small. Well, I was going to show you guys, but we already tore it apart to steal the screws. But now we've got this one. We're about to screw this one together. And then we'll have 2 boards going in between them to build the frame. And then just plywood screwed on to all of that at the top, and our box will be done. We'll build a wall and tile it, hook up the rest of the stuff, and we'll have a bath and a shower.
We got the bottom side cut out. Now we're measuring the top piece of plywood that's going to go around the tub, and the tub's going to sit in. Yeah, we've got one in here. Alright, so we got the square piece and our tub marked. Now we're just going to pull out a jigsaw and cut out that little hole where we're going to slide the bathtub into. Pretty stoked.
The blackbird inside your chest that calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold. Hidden secrets, shimmering gold behind closed eyes, where the shadows play. There's no looking the other way. Behind closed eyes. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder and louder, let go.
Alright, you are still recording. So we built out the box, and the bathtub sits perfectly in it. We got this.
We only paneled off this side and this side, because this is going to be towards the bed, so kind of work on finishing off our bed frame. And this is going to be the front, and then that'll be going into his closet, and the other side will be against the wall of the bus where the window is.
But we're gonna
So I might insulate that too.
tile and grout this with stones or whatever designs we want to do. Kind of a mosaic look, I think.
And then the shower will be like over on this side, and then the other side of that wall will be where his closet is.
It's easier to show them that in the bus.
That's fair. Look at this sunset.
Look at this beautiful sunset. Let's see if my camera adjusts to it.
Cup's full of sawdust.
I'm sorry, sweetheart. It's my fault.
It's fine, I'm drinking anyways.
There we go. There's a little
It's
bit
our
better.
fault.
Alright, 9 gigs of storage later.
We did it! It took us all day.
We did it. Time to move it home.